Hello guys and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the chronograph on your Omega Swatch watch. So I'm going to show you how to reset the main chronograph hand and also the two sub-dials at 2 o'clock and at 10 o'clock. Now if you're new to the channel and enjoy this type of content, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. So in case your chronograph doesn't reset at 12 o'clock, let me show you just like this one. So I'm going to start the chronograph, pause it, and then when I reset it, it doesn't go at 12 o'clock. So in order to reset it, first pull the crown to the first position. Now in this position you are going to be able to reset the sub-dial on the right side. You can also press and hold and it will move faster. Then make sure to align it at 12 o'clock. Now if you press the other pusher, you will be able to reset the main chronograph. Also, if you press and hold, it will move faster. So let's get at 12 o'clock. As you can see, I have aligned it at 12 o'clock. Now, if I pull the crown one more time, so to the second position where I can actually adjust the time, now I'm going to push the first pusher once again, and now I can actually adjust the sub-dial on the left side. Once again, at 12 o'clock, when everything is done and set, make sure to push the crown all the way back in. Now, the watch is ticking, and when I use the chronograph, let's play it for a few seconds. I'm going to stop it, and when I reset it, everything resets to 12 o'clock. So as you can see, we have managed to reset all three, so all are pointing at 12 o'clock. So that was the quick tutorial, guys, on how to reset your Omega Swatch chronograph. Once again, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you on the next one.